Students, in the previous video you are learned dot multiplication and repeated addition. Now we are going to learn the third method, multiplication by regrouping. Okay, what method? Multiplication by regrouping. For this method can be used by multiplying two-digit number. For here given, it is used only two-digit number. But the same method we are going to use for two-digit number and three-digit numbers. Now some of the examples for multiplication by regrouping. First example, 14 into 2. 14 multiple by 2. First you have to recall the place values. Do you remember the place values? That is ones, tens. We have a two-digit number, so ones, tens. Multiple by 2. For here, how many ones are there? 4 ones. How many tens are there? 1 tens. Okay. Now we have to write this number as in a expanded form. Okay. So that is, for this 2 multiple with tens, then multiple with ones. So that is 2 into 1 tens. Then 2 into 4 ones. 2 into 1 tens means, that is a 10. 2 tens means 2 into 10, 20. 3 tens means 30. 4 tens means 40. Like that. For 2 into 4 ones, 4 ones means 4 into ones. So that is 4 into 1. 5 ones means 5 into 1. 5. 5 ones, 4 ones means 4. 5 ones means 5. 6 ones means 6. Like that we have to proceed. So 2 into 1 10, so 2 into 10, it is 2 into 4. 2 tens are 20. 10th table 2 into 10, 20. 2 fours are 8. Now we have to add these two, 20 plus 8, 28. So 14 twos are 28. 14 multiple by 2 is equal to 28. The second example, 53 into 7. So now write that number. It is a solution. 53 into 7. First you denote the place value, that is ones, tens. Now this 7 multiple with 5 tens plus 7 multiple with 3 ones. Okay, for when we are writing as a expanded form, in between the digits, between that we have to use a addition symbol, expanded form. For expanded form, in first standard and second standard you are learned about it. Just you have to recall 53 is there. So that is equal to, first you denote the place value ones, tens. Now how many tens are there? 5 into 10. Do you remember? Plus, in ones place what do you have? 3. 3 into 1. This is your expanded form. Do you remember? So that is equal to 50 plus 3. For this one expanded form is, we have to write this way, 50 plus 3. The same expanded way we will use for this regrouping method. Okay. Now for it is, we write it as a expanded form. Now this 5 tens is written as 50. 5 tens means 5 into 10, 50. 3 ones means 3. So 7 into 50. 7 into 3. For do you want to learn 50th table? No need to learn a 50th table. You have to learn, already you are learned 5th table. Just you have to make multiple these two numbers. 7 5s are 35. At the end of the digit, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. For this number not have a 0. At the end place not have a 0. So just you have to count and write how many zeros are there at the end of the digit. Only 1 0. After multiple these two, take and write this 0. So 350 plus 21. Now we have to add these two. that is 350 by plus 21. For this addition also we have to write along with this place value. The ones place value write in ones place, tens place write in values write in a tens place, 100 place value write in a 100 place. According to the place value we have to denote the numerals. Numerals means what? That is numbers. Then second number is a 21. So ones tens, for it is ones place, 2 in a tens place. Now we have to add 0 plus 1 1, 5 plus 2 7, then 3. So answer 371. So 53 into 7 is equal to 371. 53 multiplied by 7 or 53 into 7. This symbol is a multiplication. In the higher class we have used 53 into 7. Normally what we say 53 into 7. For mathematically how you say 53 multiplied by 7 is equal to 371. Now some of the exercise problems. Page number 13. Exercise problem. Multiply the following numbers by regrouping. For 75 multiplied by 8, 26 multiplied by 5, 372 multiplied by 6, 402 multiplied by 7, 752 multiplied by 3. For this, for some of the first two sums are having a 2-digit number. For it is these last 3 sums having a 3-digit number. In your note, write page number 13, exercise. Multiply the following numbers by regrouping. 75 into, write 75 into 8. First you denote the place value ones, tens. Then 8 into 7 tens, 8 into 5 ones. So 7 tens means 70, 8 into 70, 8 into 5. 8 into 70. For you know the 7th table, 8 sevens are 56. End of the digit, how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So write at the end. So 560. 8 5s are 40. Now you have to add these two. Denote the place value ones, tens, 100. So 560 plus 40. So 0, 6 plus 4, 10, balance 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 600. So 75 multiplied by 8 is equal to 600. Next 3-digit number. For one more sum is there for the same 2-digit number, that you have to try yourself. Next third sum, 372 into 6. First you denote the place value ones, tens, 100. How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. How many tens? 7 tens. How many ones? 2 ones. First we have to write it as in an expanded form. So 6 into 3 hundreds, 6 into 7 tens, 6 into 2 ones. So that is 6 into 3 hundreds means what? 3 into 100. So that is 300. 6 into 7 tens. So what is that meaning? 7 into 10, 70. So 6 into 70. 2 ones means what? That is 2. 6 into 2. Now, do you want to learn a 300 table? No. Just you have to use a 3 table. 6 3s are 18. End of the digit, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Just take and write. So 6 3s are 18. 2 zeros are there. Just take and write at the end of the digits. Now 6 7s are 42. How many zeros are there at the end of the digit? Only 1 0. Take and write. So that is 420. 6 2s are 12. Now we have to add these 3 numbers. Now 1800 plus 420 plus 12. For it is a 4-digit number, it is a 3-digit number, it is a 2-digit number. So we have to use the place value for addition. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. According to the place value, we have to write the values, then the normal addition method we have to follow. So 0 plus 0 plus 2. So that is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 right here, balance 1. Now 1 plus 1, 2. So that is 2232. What is this numeral name? Ones, tens, 100,000. So that is 2232. So 372 into 6 is equal to 2232. Now fourth problem, 402 multiple by 7. The same way 402 into 7. First you denote the place value ones, tens, 100. So 7 into 400s, 7 into 0 tens, 2 into 2 ones. So first you write in a expanded form. Now 400s means 7 into 400. 7 into 0 into 10, 0. For any number multiple with 0, we get 0. So 7 into 0 plus 7 into 2 ones is 2. 2. So 7 4s are 28. At the end of the digit we have 2 zeros. So write at the end. 7 into 0, 0. 7 2s are 14. Now we have to add these numbers. First you denote place value, then write the numbers one by one according to the place value. Now you have to add it as 4. For this place, for 0 plus 1, 1. 8 is there, just take and write 2. So 2814. So 402 into 7 is equal to 2814. That is 402 multiple by 7 is equal to 2814. Student, like that one more problem is remaining in this exercise. That problem you have to try yourself.